Asphalt is smooth, sustainable, long-lasting, and the most cost-effective material for roadways, driveways, and parking lots. Asphalt repairs are essential as the road begins to wear and break down due to constant exposure to the elements like water, sunlight, and chemicals. The older the pavement, the more it needs asphalt repair. The best way to ensure that your pavement will last is if it's maintained regularly. In that way, you can proactively treat minor cracks or damages before they turn into a bigger problem. If you're one of the homeowners or contractors who needs a quick but efficient solution for potholes and pavement cracks, stay tuned to this video. We'll reveal the best asphalt repair on the market today to make it easier for do-it-yourselfers and asphalt professionals to decide which one's worth buying. So if you're ready to see the most trusted asphalt repairs, then let's begin. First on our list is the Road Rescue Asphalt Repair in a 50-pound UV protected sealed bag. Do you want to get rid of your pavement problems quickly? With Road Rescue Asphalt Repair Patch, you can eliminate pavement problems inexpensively. This product makes pothole repair easy, and you can do it yourself without any extra help. It doesn't require special tools or equipment to apply. Simply sweep out the area to be filled, pour in the material, and compact it down with either the car tire or tamp. After compaction, the asphalt is now ready for traffic. It works great in any weather condition, so you can apply it right away to perform an emergency fix in the middle of winter or right after a storm. The Road Rescue Asphalt Patch 10-pack is ideal for more extensive repairs, as it can cover up to 70 square feet at a depth of 1 inch. It's perfect for repairing potholes, concrete roads, driveways, parking lots, utility holes, water valves, drains, and edge repairs. Best of all, it hardens quickly upon compaction without tracking, so you'll have to wait longer. Most homeowners and professionals trust this contractor-grade asphalt repair as it's guaranteed to be safe for humans and the environment. The Road Rescue brand leads the industry with its natural asphaltic rock with 0 VOCs, or volatile organic compounds, and hazardous solvents or cutbacks. At number 2 on our list is the Latextsite 4.75-gallon airport-grade asphalt driveway filler sealer. This product is an asphalt emulsion-based driveway sealer that's designed to enhance and protect the driveway. Airport grade is an advanced formula that contains polymer additives for toughness and flexibility. This Latextsite airport grade driveway filler sealer is ideal for sealing hairline cracks in the asphalt or blacktop driveways and walkways. One pail can fill and seal 400 to 500 square feet smooth or previously sealed driveways of 300 to 400 square feet that are rough or unsealed. This airport-grade asphalt can be applied with the Seal Right Squeegee. It's an easy stir, non-skid formula that cuts down on application time. Make sure to clean the driveway thoroughly so the sealer will bond and avoid sealing when it's cold outside. It must be at least 55 degrees at night for the sealer to properly restore and last. It's also not ideal for sealing in early spring or late fall, as the sealer will not last or cure properly. The Latextsite Airport Grade Driveway Filler Sealer is also low VOC, cold tar-free formula that easily cleans with soap and water. You'll never go wrong in purchasing this product as it has a 4-year warranty to back it up. Did our first 2 products catch your eye? Well, hold on, because we still have 3 more products to feature, and one of them might be the precise solution for your pavement dilemmas. Before we go on with our list, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that bell icon to get the latest updates. And now let's continue. At number 3 is the Aquafault 3.5 gallon permanent asphalt repair patch black. Aquafault's permanent asphalt patch is an ecologically friendly material for asphalt and concrete road surfaces. It's mostly used for restoring potholes, pavement damage, parking lots, utility cuts, tennis courts, walkways, bridge joints, manhole restorations, and driveways. It's easy to use and offers a lifelong repair. What's great about this asphalt repair patch is that it minimizes roadway disruption with no need for special preparations. You can just lay it directly from its container, no need to mobilize large crews or equipment. It's a pre-mix and one-time fix solution that's quick and easy to apply. The Aquafault Permanent Asphalt Repair contains no toxic solvents or VOCs, making it friendlier to the environment. It works great in both wet and cold weather conditions. You surely won't regret choosing Aquafault, as it's ranked number 1 by Consumer Reports and backed by a 3-year warranty. Its unlimited curing guarantee assures you that it will surely serve its purpose. To make it more convenient for you, the brand also offers a limited extended warranty that guarantees no manufacturing defects for up to 36 months after application. We want to know what you think about our videos, so please don't hesitate to write down your comments and suggestions below. And now let's continue to the last 2 products on our list. At number 4 is the Gardner 4.75 gallon Max 10 Blacktop Driveway Filler Sealer. Gardner Gibson is a common name in the industry of sealers and is known for its high quality sealing on driveways. Like all of their asphalt repair lines, this product offers superior beauty, ease of use, and lasting protection for any asphalt or blacktop surface. It creates a new jet black finish for worn-out pavement and fills small cracks for even finishing. Its unique rubberized urethane formula provides maximum protection over scorching sun and heavy rain. The Gardner trademark gel formula virtually eliminates stirring, while the new Fast Dry technology allows you to use the driveway in as little as 1 hour. The dual functionality of filling and sealing is a plus point for the product, as it performs both the actions perfectly. This filler sealer offers a smooth, mess-free sealing on driveway surfaces. The finish delivers a smooth, black appearance that adds beauty to wherever it's applied. The Gardner Max 10 confidently guarantees a 10-year durability. Finally, at number 5 is the EarthCo 50-pound driveway repair and blacktop patch. Tired of repairing potholes, cracks, and trip hazards on your footpaths? EarthCo driveway repair can help you solve all of those problems. With a revolutionary patch material that works best for repairing and maintaining asphalt as well as concrete surfaces. This engineered cementitious material utilizes the most current advances to provide a fiber-reinforced solution that's fast and easy to use. It gives longer-lasting repairs that save you from constantly dealing with damages and cracks on the surface. It boasts of having 10 times the strength of asphalt and quick dry time that makes it ready for traffic in approximately 2 hours. More than its unparalleled efficiency on driveways, EarthCo Repair and Blacktop Patch contains no harmful VOCs that have adverse health effects. It's also more comfortable and cleaner to use, as the application can be done in one pour. EarthCo is indeed one of the must-try brands in repairing or maintaining driveways. And there you have it, the top 5 most trusted do-it-yourself asphalt repair products. Not all the asphalt cracks and potholes in your driveway need the skills of a professional if you have an asphalt repair product at hand. If you have anything to ask, feel free to leave a comment in the box below. We post new videos daily, so make sure to tap the bell icon to always stay updated. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to watch more of our product reviews. By subscribing to our channel, you also get to be a part of a growing community. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you on our next video here at the ReviewTube channel.